last time I posted a video with my low sleep bun, I got some requests to show you how the execution implementation of the bun was done. So guess what? I have a video. If you're interested in seeing how this was achieved, stay tuned. Okay, so here we are. We've already done our 3-step moisture process, but I'm showing you here. That's the leave-in conditioning cream, and that's step 1. So that's the first product we put in. And then we went in with the hair butter cream, and this is step 2. So that's what we followed up with. And our final step, which is step number 3, we go in with the hair butter sealant to pull everything all together. Step 3. All right, and now we're going into the styling process. Okay, so let's pay close attention now, and we're basically parting my hair in 2. So we part it from one ear around to the other side. It doesn't have to be perfect, so you can part from ear to ear. For my hair, it didn't go all the way around to the other ear, but it's just really to part the hair in 2. And we're now going to start the process. We're going to start by detangling the hair because we want to ensure that the hair is smooth. This is natural hair, this is curly hair, so you know it's going to want to be puffy. So we're gonna do our best to get this hair sleeked down. So we're now going to create a ponytail around the back here, just loosely, and then we're going to now start applying the gel to that section. So we'll put it all over, and we're very generous with the gel. And now we're going to use the brush and just smooth it in, sleek it in. We're going to pull back out that ponytail, that hair tie, and we're going to reapply it more tightly, more firmly, but not too tight to cause any tension. All right. Okay, so we're now taking hair from the side and we are going to sleek that. So that side is parted in 2, as you can see there. And we are now going to take that side and we're going to sleek it down. So it's if you look at it, it's not just one catch up and go, it is a process. So we're combing through, detangling, and making sure that everything is smooth, no tangles, and brushing it to smooth it. Alright, so once we have gelled that section, we leave it, and we're now going to go to the other section that was parted out at the front, and we're going to gel that down. I'm so sorry that I was out of the camera, but we're actually gelling that small section at the front and pulling it into the section at the back. Okay, so we're now going to pull that into a ponytail, and we're just doing it lightly, not tight at all. So we went around about 2 or 3 times, and that was it. Okay, so we're now at the other side. We actually separated that side in 2 again, and we are now going to detangle as usual. Okay, so we're going to go back in with the gel again, using a generous amount and smoothing it onto the hair. So as you can see, we're basically brushing and smoothing the hair into that back ponytail, but we haven't added any more scrunchies, hair ties, elastics. We are just smoothing it into the back, and we're at this last section here, detangling and smoothing to ensure there are no tangles. Okay, so we're now gelling down the last section, smoothing everything down, brushing it all the way in, because you want to pull everything together back into this one ponytail at the back. And as you can see, we have a little tail comb here that we're using just to comb in the gel and smooth it in to make it nice and flat. So we're now going to add our last hair tie, and as you can see, she wrapped it only about 3 times. We are not trying to cause headaches, traction alopecia, or anything like that, which is the pulling of your hair too tightly, which causes breakage and thinning. Just enough for it to look sleek. And because we did it in so many different sections and gel it down so smoothly, we don't have to apply so much pressure when actually putting in the hair tie or elastic or whatever you're using to pull your hair together. Okay, so for the back section now, you can either use the Ashley hair jelly or the curl mousse, and we are going in with the curl mousse actually today to do the curls. Remember, the product that you use to style is dependent on your curl type and how it deals with the product. I'm choosing the mousse today because I want my curls to be a lot more fluffy and bigger. If I went in with the jelly, it would give me tighter curls with a lot more hold. Okay, so we're all done with the installation of the curls, and because I want to get my hair to dry much faster, I'm going in with a diffuser attachment. And if you guys notice, as the hair is drying, it's looking fluffier and bigger, but the definition is still there. Okay, so you can either decide if you want to leave it down or you want to pin it up. We're actually doing a pin up of the ends right now, so we can leave it down or you can pin it up as we are doing it here. You can wrap it around, whatever you want to do. If you want to create a nice messy type bun, you can do that. So that is the completed look. Thank you so much, guys, for joining, and I really hope you learned and enjoyed the process. See you in the next one. Bye. Oh, and by the way, remember to subscribe to Ashley Naturals on YouTube.